So the West Indies lost another test match and another test series. It was an improved performance in the second test though, especially in the first innings, where they scored over 450 runs and had a first innings lead. But like clockwork, the collapse came and the West Indies lost the match and the series on the fourth evening. So again, it was evident that on their day, at their best, this West Indies team has enough quality, not just to compete, but to win the odd test match and indeed win the odd test series against top-level teams. What is lacking is consistency. The kind of consistency that can only come with experience, not just test match experience, but general cricket experience. This current era spanning different West Indies teams are comprised of players who are selected on potential rather than performance, competing with players from places like England, Australia, and India, who are seasoned professionals, much better prepared for consistent performances. You see the problem?